guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that you have to select your game from home screen first. After that, now press menu button on controller, then select quit. After that, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for the Horizon 6 update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues to improve performance. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating it, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, select clear persistent storage, and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache. At last, confirm it by pressing yes, and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, test network connections. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next method is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. You have to open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if everything is working fine. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to reinstall Forza Horizon 6 game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps, select CL option. Here select Forza Horizon 6 game, then press menu button, then select uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open Forza Horizon 6 official website and download the game, and after that launch it and check. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.